curvature of the spine. Sometimes it will reverse exactly what you think needs to be done. So the pain's on the left, but we're adjusting it right because of curvature in the spine.
Curvature in spine, like
Lateral curvature. A lot of people think of scoliosis, which is also a form of lateral curvature, but really scoliosis is only if it's a certain degree of curvature. Below that, they just call it normal, curvature of the spine. But if it's normal, it sure causes pain for a lot of people.
and to be clear, pain is never normal.
No. Not unless you're going through a divorce.
And it's much lower.
And more expensive. Still want to use the gun on these? James?
What's that?
You still prefer the instrument on these?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep.
Come on.